Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Puff Trees here. I want to welcome you to the Curse Realm Beta, which is a web tool for Sorcery Contested Realm. So I'm going to run through this really quick, some of the features. So first off, with any sorcery tool, you'd want to be able to look at the beautiful cards. So you come here to the random homepage, but let's say you want to, get your creative juices flowing. So let's say filter, magic. I want to look at some fire cards, fire magic. Oh, you start looking through here. Oh, but I see one has, air and earth. I would just element lock fire. And now I'm looking at only fire cards and say, well, this isn't really helping. Well, you can have fully adjustable views. For example, I like this view sorted by mana cost. And here's all the fire magic. Really gets my creative juices flowing. Of course, if you want to do advanced filters, like for example, even evil is added or stuff like that. And then if you want to Scryfall S powerful features, that's the invoke button. Another thing you can do is just archive. If look at the public decks. These are the ones that were uploaded yesterday from SCGCon. So for example, let's look at the Sorcerer's deck. You view the deck, you see all the major stats to let you know thresholds, what mana cost is the highest threshold, element distribution. You can see the Atlas, spellbook. You can adjust all the views. Threshold and price can be added if you want for easy viewing. For example, you're looking at the Atlas. You want to see the threshold. There it is. There's the price like that. Easy look like that. But that's just viewing. If you want to actually interact with the site, the workshop is your deck builder. So for example, here's the Elementalist deck. Got inspired from the SCG list, really cool. So in the deck builder, the left side is where you're inputting, right side is your deck. So you can fully adjust both views. For example, sometimes you want your deck view in text and you want the cards in bigger, smaller, depending on what you want. You can click and drag and drop, adjust all the searching. For example, I was still looking for fire and earth. Element lock help me lock in like that. In this view, you can also view the deck, which is back to that main deck view with some additional stat page to help you go back to editing, as well as anything you'd expect to do in a deck builder. Other thing is the vault, which is your collection tracker. So by default, you have cards in loot, your vault. You have loose cards. You can put them in binders, and it keeps track with TCG market price. Tracks it 4 times a day. So for example, if you want to add a master set, you could do create binder, which I've done here. Create binder, say beta master set. And from here, I could say I want to do beta, and I could add one of each. A master set adds one unique to lead that, for example, as well as edit it, as well as from there, many more. So just some other features that are very popular. The artist, you can sort it by alphabetically, number of cards. Within the artist page, you can view all their different art. The rule book is now hosted here, so it helps you search various things. For example, range. Range tap this unit to shoot a projectile. Projectile's cardinal direction, so not diagonal. I actually had to use this yesterday because I'm still learning. The event guide's uploaded, and again, everything's fully searchable. There's a life tracker, some other stuff. I wanted to make this quick. It can do a lot, but I encourage you to test it out. You should be able to use all the features without logging in, but it might not get saved or just be cached. But message me in the comments, message me on Discord on Puff Trees, join the Curse Realm Discord. Look forward to talking to you guys and checking it out. Peace.